Got one, guys. Ooh, got one. He's a nice one. He's a nice one. Ooh, whoa! Hell yeah, brother! Got one, guys. Ooh, got one. He's a nice one. He's a nice one. Ooh, whoa! Hell yeah, brother! Haha. 2 seconds I threw that worm in there. Nice one. Let's get a release on him. There he goes. Oh! Oh, guys, I just missed a good one there. Got one, guys. Oh, 2 in a row. Caught a nice one. He's a chubby guy. He's probably spawning. That's pretty much all I gotta say about him.
Wow. I had no idea there were fish that big in there.
Yeah, I know. I just saw him swimming around, so I tried to catch him. Took me a while.